Go home happy with the 2018 Honda CR-V. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this stylish and up-for-anything CR-V. Its innovative design, premium feel, all-weather capability, and advanced safety and connectivity technology sets the standard for small SUVs and crossovers. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm, rear spoiler, traction control, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer. What are you waiting for? Take the wheel of this sophisticated and powerful Honda CR-V and let the adventures begin.